Hello everyone, welcome to WebTech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how to be Tumblr aesthetic. Before moving on, if you have not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button to WebTech Tutorials for our helpful web tutorials and videos. Moving on, today's topic will show you how to be Tumblr aesthetic in general. Well, Tumblr Aesthetic is a unique aesthetic platform developed. It can spread different combination of popular designs and popular trends. We can say the alluring visual trends. You can see this platform is very much creative and combined of different designs. So more about Tumblr aesthetic. So more about the Tumblr aesthetics and the blogs post that you can find on Tumblr that relates to the aesthetic. You use natural light for the photographs, and if there are other posts you also which has their own unique style for themselves, and they build a following of people of similar interest whom they can inspire. Also, they don't have to be afraid about the trends of other bloggers. Just follow each other's trends and add some fun and changes in them. There are the combinations of mostly 5 aesthetics on Tumblr that are grunge, which is something like this. Next up is retro aesthetic that relates to these types of posts and pictures. Next up is colleagues, which is the combination of many pictures. Also a good color combination. We also have the neon aesthetic, full of neon colors. And we have the living coral. After the research, these are the top aesthetic Tumblr, so you can get a lot of ideas by going through the Tumblr and finding out, searching these types of most trending Tumblr aesthetic: retro, grunge, colleague, neon, and living coral. That will definitely help you to be and understand the Tumblr aesthetic thing. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Thank you for watching our video till the end. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. If you have any comments or questions, you can mention them in the comment section below.